What you're looking at now is butyl tape produced by UV. All butyl is weather resistant. Whether it's in 20-degree winter, it's still in the 40s. The stickiness is still there. Not only flame retardant, it can also improve the fire safety of buildings to a certain extent. Although the unit price of butyl tape may be relatively high, however, due to its simple construction, good waterproof effect and long service life, its overall cost is relatively low, with high cost performance, and the quality of the tape we produce is benchmarked against the mid-to-high-end market at home and abroad. Whether it is for project self-use or procurement, we aim to be a mid-to-high-end brand. It also has a large profit margin. On factory supports free sample testing. If you need it, please contact the color sample.